Andy, where have you been? Since the 100k subscriber video last Monday morning, we haven't heard anything from you. No videos, no updates, nothing. Are you still celebrating your 100k subscribers? Kind of. Well, when I had a look on the video on Monday, there were like 65 comments on there. And I said, well, I can wait until the afternoon and then comment every single one of them. 65 takes about an hour or so. But then when I looked again in the evening, it was more like 480 comments on this video. Guys, thank you so much. So there was no way for me to personally comment every single one of them. But thank you so much for all your kind words and congratulations to 100,000 subscribers here on the Off-Grid Garage YouTube channel. So that's why I thought I'd make this little video here and thank all of you. Guys, thank you very much for over 500 comments now, all your kind words, your congratulations, and celebrating with me this big milestone of this channel here. And also thank you very much for everyone who has shared a bit of your own projects under this video. It is always mind-blowing for me how many people get inspired by watching my videos here, starting their own projects, installing solar and batteries, and even going off-grid after a while. This is exactly the purpose of this channel. Inspire people. So lots of interesting comments where people share their projects. Thank you so much for that. Well, someone also said thank you to my wife for letting me do all this here, letting me spend all these hours and hours in the garage, making these videos for you, testing batteries and BMSs and solar charge controllers, plastering plasterboards here. Yeah, I guess this person is absolutely right. We have to thank my wife, otherwise I wouldn't be here in the garage either, right? Now she is actually very supportive with that, helping me out wherever she can. And yeah, basically let me spend as much time as I want here in the garage. So thank you very much to Andy's wife. Yeah, and then of course the music. Yeah, the change in music, in theme music here for the channel. You may have seen the recent poll I made on my community tab here on the YouTube channel. We had 3 different pieces of music to choose from. There was A, this one here. It's pretty good, right? And B, this one. Yeah, a bit different, but good, right? And C, my favorite, this one here. Yeah, that is pretty good, right? Yeah. So starting with the next video, we will have a new theme music here on the channel, and I'll pick the music which got the most votes. Oh, makes sense. Guys, of course the music will not change here on the channel. Of course not. We will keep the music. There was not one single comment under this 100,000 subscriber video where someone said, yes, change the music. But a lot of comments said, no, don't change the music. So we don't, of course not. And last, but definitely not least, I want to say a special thank you to, I probably say this wrong, Anne Celine from London. She's originally from Norway and has a music studio or something. And she actually composed a song from my 100,000 subscriber celebration. So she composed all the music, did the lyrics herself as well, put this all in the software and let AI sing it. And the end result is actually a pretty good song about the off-grid garage here down in sunny hot Australia. And now she also put this into a video. Have a quick look.
Andy in the garage, working hard all day, testing solar cells in his unique way. From Germany down to the land of Oz, he's teaching us all with a noble cause.
It's pretty cool, right? So if you cannot follow along the song while it is playing, have a look at this video, because she also put the lyrics in this video. And even she gave me permission to show and play this here. I want to rather link back to her own channel, to the video, and you can watch it over there. The link to Anne-Celine's video is down in the video description. Thank you so very much for that. I really appreciate it, and it is a lot of fun to watch. And the song turned out really great. So, very quick update what is going on here in the Off-Grid Garage. I'm still doing the consistency test here with the Yixiang LF280K. We are almost done. I've got 3 or 4 more cells, so I can probably finish this video here over the weekend. And I'm also working very closely with the engineers at G-Kong to finalize the JK BMS firmware for the version 14 and version 15 of their BMS. And we may have found now a very good solution when to reset to 100% state of charge. I'm just waiting for the final firmware version now to continue the testing. And hopefully this anticipated video will be coming out very soon as well. But this video here was more about saying a big thank you to everyone for all your support on all your comments under the videos. I really appreciate it, and you can see the result. We have reached the ladder. We have reached 100,000 subscribers, so thank you so very much. Without you, there would be no videos here. Alright, but now back to work, testing these batteries, testing the JK BMS with the newest firmware. Until the next video, guys, you stay charged, stay safe, and thanks again for watching. See you then. Bye bye. Don't forget to watch the video from Anne-Celine.